Leaders of the three NGOs from Garo Hills, namely the FKJGP, GSMC, and AHAM of Nengkhra Circle Unit, raised question over a long-pending and non-starter of the construction of Eklavya Model Residential School at Nengkhra. On March 5, 2019, local MLA Shri Marcuse and former Deputy Commissioner Shri Swapnil Tembe laid the foundation stone of the Eklavya Model Residential School, which today stands as a memory stone for the two public figures in the area. The three leaders of the above NGOs, Shri Tengkan Momin, President of FKJGP of Nengkhra Circle, Shri Tengman Marak, the General Secretary of GSMC, and Shri Silchi Sangma, the President of AHAM Nengkhra Unit, expressed their deep concern at the power that be, which takes the simple local people of the area for a ride.